insert the test strip into the test port. The meter will turn on. Make sure the code number on the test strip vial matches the display. Then press the plus button on your meter and you'll see the control solution bottle symbol in the display. Squeeze 1 drop of the control solution onto a clean tissue. Then wipe off the bottle tip. Clean the test strip vial lid with warm water and dry thoroughly. Gently squeeze a drop of control solution onto the clean lid of the test strip vial. Touch the edge of the test strip to the drop of control solution and allow the drop to be drawn into the strip until the meter beeps. You'll see the meter counting down from 10 to 0. Now you'll need to compare the control solution test result to the range shown on the test strip vial label. Use the number 1 range for low control, the number 2 range for high control. If the meter test result is within the range, your system is working properly. If your result is not within the range, consult your owner's booklet. Remove the test strip and discard. The meter will shut off automatically. Setup, coding, and quality control testing are important procedures to perform when you are using the system for the first time or you suspect the system is not performing as it should. Now let's perform a blood glucose test. Make sure you check the expiration date on the test strip vial before testing. If the test strips are expired or more than 2 months past the open date, throw them away and open a new vial. This simple yet critical step will ensure testing accuracy. Always wash hands with warm soapy water. Rinse well and dry thoroughly. Remove a test strip from the vial and immediately replace the cap. With the meter off, insert the test strip contact end, contacts facing up, into the test port. The meter will turn on automatically. Now, match the code number in the meter display to the code number on the test strip vial. Lance the side of the finger to obtain a blood sample. Allow a small blood drop to form, then place the test strip sample tip gently against the blood drop and hold it there until the meter beeps. The meter will begin to count down from 10 seconds to 0. Be sure to apply the blood sample to the end of the test strip and not to the top of the test strip. Within just a few seconds, the glucose result is displayed along with the date and time. Once you've recorded the result, remove the test strip and discard. The meter will shut off automatically. The test result is then stored in the meter's memory for easy recall or to use for averaging of results. Make sure to record this test result, date and time in the logbook included with your TrueTrack meter. Now, let's talk about how you can use the data stored in the TrueTrack meter to better manage your diabetes. The TrueTrack Smart System provides morning glucose averages for 14-day or 30-day time periods. To use the morning average feature, the meter clock must be set up with the correct date and time. The meter averages the most recent blood glucose values performed between 4 a.m. and 9:59 a.m. according to the meter clock. To view the average values, start with the meter off. Press and release the S button. The display shows the 14-day average value and then the 30-day average value. The meter switches between these values for 2 minutes before turning off. If there are no morning average values, 3 dashes are displayed. The TrueTrack Smart System stores 365 test results with the date and time in memory. To view memory, simply press and release the S button after your morning average is displayed. You'll see the most recent test result along with the date and time. Now you can scroll forward and backward by date and time using the plus and minus button on the top of your meter. Your most recent control solution test result appears after the earliest test result. you'll see the control bottle symbol, like this, in the display. Only one control solution test result is stored in memory. Now that you're familiar with setup, coding, quality control tests, and blood glucose testing, let's take just another minute to review some recommendations for care of the TrueTrack Smart System. We suggest that you store the TrueTrack Smart System meter, test strips, control solution, check strip, and code chip in the carrying case included with the system. This will keep it safely away from dust, dirt, and other debris. Store your system in a dry place at room temperature. Avoid direct sunlight, and don't store your system in the refrigerator or freezer. If you're moving to a new area or traveling to a different climate, allow the system to adjust to room temperature before using it. Should meter contamination occur, wipe the meter with a lint-free cloth dampened with mild soap and water. You may also use isopropyl alcohol and water or a 10% household bleach solution. Make sure the meter is completely dry before using. Never immerse the meter in any liquid and make sure that no liquid or moisture gets inside the test or data ports. That's it. Now you should be on the true track to testing success.
If you have questions or need more in-depth information, please refer to the TrueTrack Smart System Owner's Booklet. For technical assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, call Home Diagnostics. Or you can find important product information including a quick reference guide, troubleshooting tips, and diabetes education information at our new and improved website. As always, follow the treatment advice given to you by your doctor or diabetes healthcare professional. They know what's best for you. Once again, we at Home Diagnostics thank you for making the smart choice for diabetes monitoring.